This is another quantitative question for age. Okay, 10 years ago, the age of a man was 4 years more than 5 times the age of his son. The man will be 6 years less than thrice the age of his son after 3 years. After 3 years means 3 years in the future. Okay, what will be the sum after 10 years hence? That means what will be the sum of the father's age and the son's age 10 years in the future? Also, how many years will the sum of their ages be 100 years? After how many years will the sum of the father and the son together will be 100? Okay, so remember, if it is in the past, it becomes negative. 10 years before minus 10, 10 years later on, 10 years hence, 10 years into the future, that's plus 10. Okay, so let x be father's age, present age, and y be son's present age. Okay, now the first thing is, what is the first question? 10 years ago means x minus 10. The age of a man was 4 years more, means plus 4 than 5 times the age of a son. Age of a son 5 times mean 5 in bracket 10 years ago. The age of the man mean x minus 10, or age of the father, equal 5 times the age of a son, y minus 10. It is 4 plus 4, because y plus 4, 4 years more. Okay, plus 4 means 4 years more. Okay, now x minus 10 equal 5 into y, 5y minus 5, 10, 50 plus 4. Okay, so this minus 10 bring here. Okay, it's become 5y minus 50 plus 4 minus 10 plus 10. So it becomes 5y minus 50. This is 14, isn't it? The 50 minus 14 is how much? 50, then plus 14, isn't it? 10 minus 4, you get 6. And 4 minus 1, you get 3, 36. Why do you get minus 36 here? Because minus 50, because 50 is greater than 14, so it becomes negative. Okay, 50 is greater than 14, so you get here negative. Suppose if it is 50 plus 50 and then minus 14, you get plus 36. Okay, but here is minus 50. 50 is greater than 14, so you get minus 36. Okay, another part of the question, what is 3, the man will be 6 years less, it means minus 6, minus 6. Okay, then thrice the age of his son after 3 years. Okay, so after 3 years, that means age of the father after 3 years is x plus 3, and age of the son after 3 years is how much? 3 times y plus 3. Okay, because here it is, the age of a son will be less than thrice the age of a son. 6 years less with minus 6 than thrice the age of a son after 3 years. 3 times y plus 3. Okay, 3 times the age of a son minus 6 means minus 6. Okay, it is less. So x plus 3 equal 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 3, 9 minus 6. Okay, so this plus 3 bring here, so it becomes 3y plus 9 minus 6 minus 3. Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Okay, minus 6 minus 3. 2, the sign is the same, negative sign, so you have to add them together. Okay, 6 and 3 is 9, minus and minus, you get minus. Okay, if you add them together, you get minus 9. Okay, if it's minus 6, multiply minus 3, you get minus minus plus 6 into 3, 18. Okay, so 9 minus 9, you get 0. So x equal 3y. Now we have got before 5y minus 36 equal x, isn't it? What's the value before? This x equal 5y minus 36. So you put it here. X equal 3y. X equal 5y minus 36. So 5y minus 36 equal 3y. So bring 3y here, become plus 3y becomes minus 3y, and minus 36 here becomes plus 36. If you bring any number from one side to the other, or from this side to this side, left to right or right to left, the sign of the number changes. The plus positive number becomes negative number, and negative number becomes positive number if you bring the numbers from one side to the other. Okay, so 5 minus 3y equal 2y. Okay, 36, and y equal 36 by 2 to 1 to 16 to 8 16, so y is 16, or y equals 18, and x equal 3y, isn't it? Here x equal 3y, so x equal 3 into 18 is 54. Now the question was, what will be their age 10 years later? What will be their age? The sum of their ages 10 years later. So 10 years later, x equal 54 plus 10, 64, and y is 18 plus 10 becomes 28. So 64 plus 28, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, and 2, 9. So x plus y is 92. We have done the first part of the question. Okay, so the another part is that what will be the sum, or how many years will it take for their sum to be 100? Okay, first of all, we have to add x plus y. 54 plus 18 is 72. Okay, so we have to find until 100. So 100 minus 72 equal 28, and then 28 has to be divided by 2. Why? Because there's two people, father and son. Okay, so divide 28 by 2, you get 14. Okay, so 14, that means after 14 years of the son and 14 years of the father, the sum will be 100. So after 14 years, x equal 54 plus 14, 68. After 14 years, y equal 18 plus 14, that's 32. 68 plus 32 equals to 10, carry 1, 6 1, 7 plus 3, 10. X plus y equal 100. Okay, so that is the sum of the son and the father after 14 years. Okay, so once you find the value of x and y, first and foremost, when you solve this kind of question in competitive exam, once you find the value of x and y, the present age, you can find the past age, the future age. Okay, the sum, the difference. Okay, in any way, whatever the question may be. But first and foremost, you have to find the value of x and y. Once the value of x and y are perfect, all right, then you can find the sum, the difference, even the product, anything you can find any solution of the question given. Okay, so that is the answer. If you like the video, please support and subscribe my channel.